We are inside the beautiful Wilderness Lodge in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. Look at that huge Christmas tree. It's all ready and decorated up for Christmas. There's a river and there's some trees, and over here are the elevators, which recently they did a huge renovation. I thought they were gonna get modded, but it looks like they survived. And I believe they are Otis. Let's get a cab view. And they made it, thank God. 7. What floor are you going to?
Number 4. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks. They just renovated this place pretty heavily. But despite the Florida codes, they're still here. I thought they were gonna get modded, but yay, they're original. Alright, let's go down to lobby. Very basic fixtures. I don't know what these are. I think they're innovation. 88 phone. Let's go back up. Oh, weird. It canceled 7 out when I pushed it. These are nice. Aside from the fixtures, they're really, really nice. Fixtures are a bit too basic, in my opinion. But we'll get off here and get a view out. I don't know, I'm pretty sure they're Otis. They could be Montgomery or Schindler Hot, and I'm not sure now. Thank God these made it. I was worried about these. And I almost thought they ripped the doors out on this one, but I guess they just covered them up or something. I love that bell. Let's get a cab view. I like it. Let's get in before so it doesn't nudge. There's your certificate. Wow, this do go quite fast. I'll take one more ride just for the heck of it. Sometimes take a while to shut, these do. When we get up to the top, I'm gonna want to get out because I want to listen to that bell ding again.
Yeah.
Actually, let me look at the interlock. I can't tell who did this install, but I'm kind of starting to think Schindler, Houghton, or Montgomery. All right, let's ring the bell. Let's let it shut so we can demonstrate it one more time. Alright. It's gonna buzz probably. No, it didn't. And we'll get off here. And we'll watch them it shut. I don't want to film them, but there it goes. And that's it. Alright, here we are at the Wilderness Lodge at Disney in Lake Buena Vista, which is decorated up for Christmas. Remember the elevators here though, right? Well, look at this. They've modded them. That one isn't quite done yet, but guess what? The elevators with innovation, the Montgomerys are gone. Look at this. Let's go up to 7. Vandal-resistant Otis fixtures. Yep, they modded them. 2 years ago, like 3 years ago, I thought they were gonna mod them because they had walled them off, and then the year later I made a video saying they survived, but I guess not for long, and I was wrong, because look, they modded them. Although this was expected, because at the time I recorded that video, they apparently were modding the service cars, so yeah. '88 Janus phone. There's your other COP. It looks like they kept the cabs the same, but they modded everything else about them. Anyway, let's back up to 7. Yeah, fresh mod here. Let's see, I don't know if I can get them both. No, I can't. Oh well. Yeah, and at least they kept the handrails the same. Just new buttons. Going down?
Yes. Hey, Megan. This is great. Never mind.
Now the new Otis interlocks. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna end on lobby. Honestly, as much as I like to hate on innovation, I prefer the old buttons more. I mean, these just look way too generic now. And the indicator used to be up here, but now it's just a piece of metal. Anyways, here we are back on the lobby. Now I'm gonna check on some of the other elevators here. There it goes. That one I think is still in the process, but there it goes. That's it. Well, here's the third bank of elevators at the, what is this place? The Wilderness Lodge in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. Now, if you remember, last year I was here, and they were directing us to use these because all the main ones were closed off due to renovations. Well, they survived, and these have too. Anyways, here we go. And interestingly, they don't appear to have renovated this part of the hotel. I think we're getting you. Do you ding? No. Bells don't work on this one, unfortunately. Alright, let's go up to 7. I'm guessing 7's burnout. 6. Yeah. It's for... Can't use it. Here. Yeah. They definitely fixed up the other ones. I mean, these don't seem to be in as good a shape. We'll get off here. This part's not renovated. At least not yet.
Great, thank you.
Let's, you know what? Watch it shut. We'll We'll take these down. Don't know which one we'll be getting. Interesting call stations. I haven't commented on them. No, the chimes don't work. And we'll get off here. Let's ding it. And the lanterns do not work here. Yeah, I noticed how all the other ones' lanterns work and the ones on these do not. Is it gonna shut? Oh, there we go. That's it. Alright, one more bank of elevators to check. This is in the still unrenovated wing. Let's see. Yep, also modded. Let's see. Hello.
How you doing?
Doing good. Heading up? Or, no, you're not. Ah. You're on 6. But yeah, they totally modded this bank too. Oh, yeah, right. The only floor above where we are is locked, I forgot. I mean, this is an okay mod, but it's still very generic and quite ugly compared to what used to be here. But at least they didn't change the cabs, so it's alright. Well, anyways, here we are on the first floor. There it goes. That's it. Here's some more elevators at the Wilderness Lodge in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. This is also in the same wing that was getting renovated when I was last here. These survived as well, thankfully. Let's give them a ride. Don't know if they're Otis, Montgomery, or Schindler-Houghton. I love the bells on these, let me just say that. Alright. 1.
They have 2 stars.
Look at that, there's 2 main floors.
Yeah.
Okay, 7. Actually, oh, it rang. Love that bell. Let's see. Let's get off here because I want to listen to the beautiful belting again. Ah, yeah. Look at those doors. May leave. Let's go down to the 1. Yeah, there's 2 stars. Look at that. I think these are innovation, but I'm not sure. These definitely do look like innovation. basic, but they are pretty nice.
Yeah.
So with the cabs. The cabs do make up for it, along with the bells. Alright, let's call it. Let's ding it. Oh, this one dings. Let's listen. Let's wait for him to go. And look, elevator out of service.
And it's not even out of service.
Yeah, that makes no sense. I'm not gonna do that. It looks like the phone box is broken. Here we are at L. And there they go. And that's gonna be it. Well, here's one of the other banks of elevators here. These got modernized as well, too. Yep, Evan, you were right. They indeed were modding them, I guess, because look at this. These ones also got modded. 2-1. They just slapped a new panel on. You can tell the paneling surrounding it is quite worn. Here we are on 1 now. They also put new brails on these too. They didn't on the other ones. All right, up to 7. Here's the other COP. Here's up on the top floor hallway. Let's get it before it shuts. And we're gonna end on 1. Yeah, pretty much the same as the main ones. Very basic mod, very generic now. Yeah, I can't get both. No, I can't. And there they go. That's it.